Greetings from Merrill Woods. This is Tiptail. He's one meaty cat for being a feral stray cat. He's never been indoors. Well, I say that. Sometimes when we open this door behind him here, when I was letting Felix in, Tiptail would come in. But he's never been an indoor cat. Never been to the vet. Ooh, sometimes he bats at me. Got a little something going on with his eye. I'd have to take him to a vet. Oh, my. But I'd like to take him upstairs and have him as a completely indoor cat, not bring him down at all. The trip up would be traumatic, I think, going in a cat carrier and all. But I'd like Mary's help to take him up there and see if I can make him an indoor cat. He's such a nice, friendly sort of guy until he beats you up. But what do you think? Comment below. God bless.